Yo guys, welcome to OpuTam Trading Academy. And yeah, as I told you guys in the channel right now, I'm gonna do some quick analysis on gold and GBPUSD. We already did that on the Zoom session because I can see that some people are busy, they didn't turn up. So I'm gonna do a recorded video where you guys can literally come check later. Yeah, so this is gold from the monthly time frame, and technically this is so easy. Fundamentally we are backed up, so don't be scared to write down gold sell. Okay, so we can see that from the monthly time frame we can see a double top region here. So market literally formed a double top from the monthly time frame, and a double top from the monthly time frame is a very good sweet sell. So um markets have stabbed into this base here previously on the weekly time frame, then give us a pullback. Then now we have to see market clear out this base here, this base. You see market clear the base, coming back down to this point, 1587. I literally tested in the channel that I want gold to come to 1620 first. Then my second take profit was on 1587 around that point. So this is literally my take profit two for gold, but I stick to my take profit one first. Yeah, let one first hit before we look at another. So let's go to the weekly time frame. Yeah, now we can see clearly that this point over here has been tested multiple times, and now is acting as a source sort of liquidity around this point here. You can see here. So it's so clear this is liquidity. So liquidity is a region whereby banks want to manipulate the market. So they know that people want to sell at yeah, people want to buy at support zones, support areas. So now we have to see markets go beyond that support zone, tap into a demand zone, which is around this point here. Then if you see, then at that point you see a retracement. So literally, I want price to come down back to this zone here. You can see this is 1621, but I took out the top zone here. That's 1630 for price to come tap into before 1630. Yeah, 1630. Where are you? Okay, yeah, 1630. So this is why I want price to come down to before any sort of retracement and all of that. So I'm going to teach you guys a new strategy, and I hope you guys imply it into your trading. And this strategy was meant for the mentorship program only, but I decided to share guys for free. So in this market, you got to know, you have to understand what is really running, like technically what is really which pattern is the market following, either to trade upwards or to trade downwards. Now you will see that let me show you guys something. You see from this point, the price has been giving us a sort of a break and a retest most times on gold. Yeah, a break and a retest. So we can see from this point here, this is a very strong strategy. I hope you guys use it properly. You can see from this point here, when price is trading downwards, it gives us a lower high and a lower low. So a lower low, if a lower low gets taken out, you got to pick out the wicks of the previous lower low here. So these are the wicks here. They're the obvious wicks around this point. So you can see this is a lower low, this is a lower high. Then market did what? It broke it to the downside. Yeah, and also it left the supply zone around this point here. You see. So now this alone is the first confirmation. This break and retest strategy, yeah, but it's a kind of advanced one. But you are using weeks that price rejected nicely from. You can see price rejected nicely from this week around here. It gave us a very good push. You can see from this point again, price gave us a very good push from this week. You can see it properly. Yeah. So now When something like this happens and there is also a supply zone at that point, that should be considered a very strong zone. So you can see that price was stabbed into it, boom, then fell. Then while it was falling on the daily time frame, it was also giving us that same exact pattern to fall. You can see it here. So you can see from this point, when market was falling, it was creating a lower high, a lower low, and a lower high. You can see from this point. Okay, let me check out this tool, use a proper tool. Yeah. So market was giving us a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high. Now we have to see, well, market is giving us a very good lower low. We have to see it does small lower high, then a very good push to the downside. Now we can see that from the daily time frame, market has given us its own move. Yeah, so at this point we should see market clearing this zone, giving us a very thick a very thick sell to this 1630 region. But while it was coming down, it was also giving us its own bearish pattern. Yeah, so exactly what I told you before. You look at this point here, these are the two obvious weeks here. So at this point here, you take it. Then also this point here, you take it. Now you can see how price got into this zone here, gave us multiple week rejections. From the 4 hour time frame, you get your entries. 1 hour 15 minutes, you get your entries there. You trade it downward, you can see that nice push. Same as here also, we're going to see this happening also around this point. You can see yeah, let's take out those 2 points also. They are so obvious. Now one thing is that it has to be obvious. Yeah, this is OpuTam Trading Academy. Yeah, if you're just joining us, you're just watching the video again, this is OpuTam Trading Academy, and I'm just teaching you guys something new. So I'm expecting price to come back to this top here. If it doesn't come back there, that's his problem, but I'm expecting price to come back there. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, and you can see there's a very good supply at that zone, so this is a very cool market. So let's take out these two things here. Let's take them out. Yeah, so now I literally will take the from the body of this place here, from the body here. Right, stop misbehaving, dude. Yeah, from this point here, we'll draw it out. Yeah, so that will be my point of now, my area of interest. And mind you, whenever I give you a trade like this, a trade setup, when price gets in here, you should see your own type of confirmation before you strike that market. Don't just strike when price gets there, please. It's too dangerous, it's too risky. This is a very volatile market. So at this point should be I'm just plotting the graph because that's my area of interest, but that doesn't mean that once price gets there you should start striking. No, you wait for confirmation. So yeah, you can just risk 42 pips, then we target that 1630 region. Yeah, it's very necessary. So we are risking 42 pips to get 592 pips on gold. So this is my short analysis on gold. Yeah, so let me take you back to this. You can see this previous zone here from the daily. Let's go to the daily time frame. You can see around the point, some people will be asking me, okay, how okay, not this place, not here, not here, but here. I can also explain here to you. Let me explain this point for you. No, it's too much for you guys. Oh, join the mentorship program and you understand properly. Let me explain this point for you guys. Okay. Yeah, you can see from this point here, this is a very good break on the retest here from the daily. Now if you use the 4 hours, you see the price broke it initially. No, you don't use that point literally. Now price broke here with this body candle. We tested this 4 hour supply, it traded downward, so we have a break here. We also have a break around this region here. So now look at the 12 hours time frame. Yeah, this is the 12 hour time frame. Now you can see from the 12 hour time frame, market left a very good supply at that point. Yeah, so here's the supply zone here. You can see the supply, the whole of this box. Here's the supply zone. So what did I tell you? I tell you guys that when the break and the retest, especially this type of break and retest, matches with the supply zone is very, very, very strong. Now, price got into here, formed a double top, fell massively. This move here was caused by inflation news for USD. Now, market continued and started pushing very bearish. So now we have another sell setup around here to continue downwards. Yeah, that's it for gold. Now you see that all I've been telling you are not just for telling sake; they actually works. Yeah. So if you want to learn how to do all this stuff yourself, you can join the mentorship program with just $200, a one-time payment, and for 2 months, I'm going to drill you on how to study this market and be profitable from it. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Love you guys. So I'll be dropping GPUSD in no time.